開けるのボタンを押してご乗車ください。
British po? Kab naman yun. So guys, we are inside the Toyama station. So what's up guys? Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Toyama Station. So kung nakikita nyo po, dito po yung ticketing booth. So dito po kayo bibili ng ticket para sa iba't ibang train. So guys, dito naman po yung Shinkansen Central Gate. So guys, we're back. Right now we are here at the bus station. So here, as you can see, we have platform number 4, 5, 6. So kung saan nyo po gusto pumunta is nandito na rin po yung mga schedule nila. As you can see here, platform number 5. So dito po yung schedule. So guys, for today's vlog is one day tour here in Toyama. So ano nga po ba yung pwede nyo gawin once? So first up, Family Mart. So bago kayo magsimula sa trip na to, so bibili muna kami ng breakfast. So dito sa Japan, very convenient bumili ng breakfast. So love, ano yung favorite breakfast natin dito sa Japan? Let's go. Onigiri. So we're going to have onigiri, tuna with mayo.
Saan? Ito.
Yeah. Then sa'yo?
Ito.
Yeah. See. Breakfast in Japan. Okay, so we have onigiri and siopao. Love.
Sneakers?
Let's go. And sneakers. So let's go. So guys, papunta kami ngayon sa observation deck. Toyama observation deck. So first stop, isa sa mga pinupuntahan dito para i-observe yung Toyama because 16th floor. So yun, makikita niyo yung buong Toyama. Let's go. Hi guys, what's up? Morning. So welcome to our travel vlog. So yung first stop natin, first video is Toyama. So today we're going to Toyama observation deck. Next is we're going to two museum and then Kansoi Park, which the famous Starbucks in Japan located. So samahan nyo kami guys. So right now we are walking from the station going to the observation deck. Wow, unexpected guys. So we are here at a random koen here in Japan. Random park with a beautiful autumn flowers, trees. This is Toyama, Japan. A random koen with a very beautiful fountain. And here she is, love. Love.
Love.
So guys, we are here at a random coin here in Japan. So this is our first time na pumunta dito. Although lagi na po namin ito nakikita, ngayon na kami pumunta dito. So sobrang ganda niya. Lalo na ngayong autumn season. So guys, mag-breakfast muna kami. Love! Ayaw mo naman sila mag-breakfast. So guys, we're going to eat now. First meal.
Today. Onigiri.
So we are here at a very beautiful coin, guys. Wow. Toyama Han. So dito sa Toyama, Japan, you can rent a bike here. You just need to download the app and then you can use this bike. So we are here now at the Toyama Observatory Tower. Here, just a few walk from the station over here. So the station is here, you just walk straight and now you are here at the Observatory Tower. So let's see later the view upside. So free entrance po dito. So we are here now at the Toyama Observation Tower. Love! Love, see. So this is the Toyama. Love. So you can see up here the Toyama. Wow. You can see up here the Toyama. There's a lot of tourists over here enjoying the view. So free yung entrance dito if you want to go. Love, tingnan mo yung Toyama Castle. Look, the Toyama Castle. Wow!
Alam, ang ganda.
Toyama, Japan. So this is what it looks like here in Toyama-shi at night. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo sa Toyama Observation Deck. So we're going to our next stop. So we are going to the Toyama Castle. So that's the building, the Toyama Observation Deck. And now we're going to the Toyama Castle. So Toyama Castle guys is Tonari. So malapit lang siya. Bali tatawid lang tayo ng kalsada doon. Yun. Toyama Castle. Love. Sobrang ganda ng weather niya. Since autumn ngayon. So exact date is November 16. Hello guys, we're back. So we are here now at the Toyama Castle. Love, say hi to our vlog, love. So we are going now. We are going to enter the gate of the Toyama Castle. So let's go guys. Hindi kami masyado makaalis dito. Sobrang ganda ng paligid. Sobrang ganda ng autumn guys. Sana ma-experience yun din soon dito sa Japan guys. So this is the entrance. We are here now at the Toyama Castle entrance. So We are going inside now. So this is our second castle na napuntahan. So first is the Kanazawa Castle in Ishikawa, and now this is the Toyama Castle here in Toyama. So this is the view here. So from the station, first you go to the observatory. The next stop, you can go here at the Toyama Castle. So, na-preserve po ito. Renovated pero sobrang ganda na ito. And around the Toyama Castle, you can see a pond over here. You can do a lot of things. So guys, this is the Toyama Castle. If you want to visit Toyama, just a few walks from the station, then you are here now at the Toyama Castle. So yung mga Pinoy po dyan na magta-travel in Japan, pwede nyo pong visit ang Toyama. Sobrang dami po. Visit our page, and there's a lot to do here in Toyama. So Toyama Castle open hours 9 AM to 5 PM. Last admission is 4:30, New Year's holiday, and safety maintenance. 400 yen admission per person. So guys, ito na kami maglalakad-lakad lang. Nandun sila yung may mga nakabike na so guys, if you want to visit Toyama, so Toyama Castle, just few walks from the station.
Saan po?
Ano masasabi mo, Lab, sa Toyama Castle, Lab? So mas maliit po siya compare sa Kanazawa Castle na, Lab. Since nasa vlog namin, check nyo rin po yung vlog namin sa Kanazawa, which is in Nishikawa. So dun makikita nyo yung Kanazawa Castle, which is yung Maida clan, no? Yung previous ruler ng Kanazawa yung so here naman is the Toyama Castle. So guys, we have just finished our second destination. Now we are going to the Toyama Glass Art Museum. So it is also one of the tourist spot here in Toyama. So love, let's go. We're going to our third destination for today, the Toyama Glass Art Museum.
Kuya, ito?
Love. So that's the Toyama Art. Let's go, love.